Hello, Purdy Panthers, and welcome to our end of the year assembly. Yes, it is a bit different than we've done in the past, but I'm happy to have some time with you to celebrate some of the many amazing achievements from this year. It has been a unique one, to say the very least, starting with our whole country shutting down and then slowly trying to get back to what is our new normal. Some unique things from this year include starting the school year and being in person for 8 days before having to shift to virtual learning all the way through the new year. Your teachers all learning a crazy amount of technology in order to provide you strong instruction whether you are at home or at school. Please take a moment, look at your teacher, and give them a huge hand for the awesome learning they did in such a short time. They are my superheroes. What about your Zoom meetings and material kits that kept us all socially distanced and safe? And our new world is encouraged to get the COVID vaccination in hopes to getting back to a normal place. No matter how you describe it, you have lived through a historic event in our world's history. You'll get to talk about the stories and memories of having to grow up in a pandemic. This is not a common occurrence, and yet you rose to the challenge and continued to do amazing growing and learning through these unique times. For that, I am so very proud of each and every one of you and the amazing things you have accomplished. Speaking of accomplishments, we start with our first celebration of our 5th grade class. Their time to set off on new journeys and new learning at Fort Atkinson Middle School is now upon us. They have been a great example of role models for us, and they have put in time and work to accomplish their individual goals. 5th graders, we wish you all the very best, and we want you to know that Purdy Elementary will always hold a special place here at school, because once a Purdy Panther, always a Purdy Panther.
We love our PTO!
Before we get to our student awards, there is a group of people that really work behind the scenes to provide amazing opportunities for our students and staff at Purdy. They were small in number, but mighty in ideas and activities. Without their dedication, time, and effort, we wouldn't be able to offer some of the great programs, even in a COVID year, like No Cook Nights, Purdy Palooza, Drive-Through Santa event and spring break events, family movie night, PBIS activities, helping reduce our field trip costs, and many staff appreciation events throughout the year. To the parents that came to our Zoom meetings, whether it was one or many, your thoughts and input were greatly appreciated, and we couldn't do it without you. We're looking forward to our time together next year. This year's committee chair people on PTO included Spirit Wear, Sam Lamuro, Book Fair, Sam Lamuro, Breakfast with Santa Drive-Through, Cassie Werner, Teacher Appreciation, Caitlin and David Frederick, Box Top Competitions, Casey Evenson, Purdy Palooza, Sarah Jones, Script Coordinator, Miss Judy, 5th grade breakfast, Amanda Warble and Lindsay Zeisler, Art Collaborative Projects, Lindsay Zeisler, Spring Break Drive-Through, Rachel Broadhead, Cassie Werner, Christine Vandermouse, Outdoor Movie Night, Melissa Cron and Lindsay Zeisler, No Cook Nights, Sherry Siglinski. I would also like to thank the following PTO officers for all their energy, work, leadership, and guidance given to Purdy School. As a small token of my appreciation, I have some chamber bucks to say thank you for giving of yourselves and your time in such a huge way. Our PTO President, Christine Vandermouse. PTO Vice President, Rachel Broadhead. PTO Treasurer, Sherry Siglinski. And PTO Secretary, Casey Evenson. This year, we also said goodbye to a good friend, Mr. Dan, who retired in April of this year. As our lead custodian for the last few years, Mr. Courtier was a huge part of what made Purdy run so smoothly and look so good. He was always so helpful to students, staff, and families, and we will really miss getting to work with him. We wish him all the best on his retirement and the adventures to come. We will miss you, Mr. Dan. And now we will move on to student awards. We continue our new tradition of recognizing the students who did not receive a behavior referral during the school year. You are the true all-stars, and we are very proud of all your many, many great decisions every single day of the year. There were so many students earning this award, so your teacher will be giving you your special certificate in the classroom. Some cool role model projects to remember about this year included, since September, you Purdy Panthers have collected a total of 3,621 coins, which is amazing considering that a large portion of the school year was all virtual. We participated in 2 all-school celebrations this year, including a game hour, complete with a brand new board game for your classroom and a special cookie treat. We also had a Chalk It Up to Good Behavior event, where students all got a special chalking time outside and enjoyed a Freezy Pop. This year, we also completed year 3 of our kindness initiative, focusing on the idea of be the light to shine and spread your kindness on others. While we didn't get to do as many community service projects this year, it was great to see everyone motivated to recognize their peers for doing random acts of kindness. It was really fun to put together the video each week, and then Mrs. Kuzel and I came around to recognize you in front of your class. I can't wait to see what great acts of kindness we will see next year. Purdy was definitely a place where we built great friendships and showed positive behaviors, because I know that all Purdy Panthers know what it takes to be great and work hard, and remember to be respectful, be responsible, be safe, and ready to learn. Keep up the great work, and we look forward to continuing to reward these great decisions next year.
Look, there's some money. You should turn that into the office. And that's how you win the Honesty Award.
At this time, we celebrate the following students who demonstrate a high level of honesty by turning in money they found in the building or on the playground. Please help me congratulate Brock Broadhead, Colton Bree, Allie Chase, Maggie Frederick, Theo Herman, Madison Kuska, Levi Olson Pazurik, Kyle Vandewarker, and Trey Weiss.
Up next, Safety Patrol Awards.
The next group of students worked hard this year to keep our students and families safe by helping cross safely at certain points on our school grounds as part of the 5th grade Safety Patrol team. These students represent great leadership, understanding of safety, and concern for others. Throughout the year, several of them were rewarded with lunch at McDonald's or Culver's, which we had together at Purdy, but zoomed in to a group of other students from Barry, Luther, and Rockwell. They also got to participate in a fun team building day here at Purdy, and then we headed over to Rockwell to enjoy some time bowling and playing mini golf. We appreciate all their work and dedication to Purdy this year. This year's safety patrollers included Ian Kopp, Sophia Evenson, Addie Forrester, Lily Frederick, Jackson Hertzfeld, Natalie Kelleher, Camila Lombari, Emily Moss, Brody Rosenthal, Alan Sampaio, Lillian Siglinski, Kipton Smiley, Angelica Torres, Tiffany Van Treek, Emma Worth, Lillian Webb, Kylie Wilson, and Riley Warble. Thanks for all your amazing work.
Hey, what's up, Purdy Panthers? This year we had the Ernie Pope Art Show, and I got to pick a few students who made some of the most amazing pieces of art that this school has seen this year. Those students are Miles Unger, Lucian Collins, Brennan Whitfield, Natalie Keller, Colton Bodger, Landon Humschild, Caitlin Redinius, Emily Moss, Lillian Webb, Kendall Ricketts, Ava Cron, Ashton Lang, Stella Rattray, and Ian Kopp. You guys made just not only the coolest pieces of artwork I might have ever seen, but you made some of the hardest pieces. Okay, so like A lot of you did coffee painting. We never even tried that before, and you rocked it. So congratulations, students. You should be proud of yourselves. You did a great thing.
Hello, I am Mrs. Hoffelder, and I am here to present our 5th grade Band Participant Awards to our Purdy Panthers. This year we started band virtually, which had never been done before, and we ended the year by performing a concert for our parents. So the kids came a long way, showed some perseverance in their learning, and I hope they have a lifetime of making music. Those students are Sophia Evenson on the clarinet, Angelica Torres on the saxophone, Lillian Webb on the trumpet, and Natalie Kelleher on the trumpet. Thank you, ladies, for showing up each week and doing your best. I hope you have a great summer, and we'll see you next year.
Hello, I'm Mr. Finnegan. I am the orchestra teacher here at Purdy Elementary, and I'm here to recognize the following students in orchestra. They have spent many hours practicing at home and with the extra added challenge of even starting an instrument fully remote and fully virtual. They have made exceptional progress and developed many skills and repertoire that will carry them through middle school and beyond. So without further ado, I would like to recognize the following students: Italia Giles, Jackson Hertzfeld, Emily Moss, Taylor Magoo, and Lillian Siglinski. Congratulations. I look forward to working with you in the future.
And now for the Presidential Award for Educational Excellence. The Presidential Award for Educational Excellence is awarded to a 5th grade student for their academic success. In order to be eligible to receive this award, a 5th grader must have achieved an advanced score in math and/or an advanced score in reading on the spring map assessment and receive no more than 3 2s on the 5th grade report card in core learning areas. The following students will be receiving this very high academic honor: Lillian Frederick, Caleb Wolf, Lincoln Benjesdorf, Ian Kopp, Adam Grams, and Jackson Hertzfeld. Congratulations on this amazing achievement. Our final award today is the Presidential Award for Educational Achievement. The purpose of this award is to recognize 5th grade students that have shown outstanding educational growth and improvement, commitment, and increasing intellectual development in their academic subjects. This award encourages and rewards students who work hard and give their very best effort in school, often in the face of additional obstacles. The following students will be recognized with this amazing achievement: Landon Homshield, Addie Forrester, Kylie Wilson, Alan Sampaio, and Brianna Hibbs. Congratulations, I'm so very proud of you. Well, Purdy Panthers, you did it. I'm sure at some point in the school year we all felt like we were really trying to achieve the impossible. But we know that with hard work, dedication, and sticking together as a team, we can do anything. I hope you take some time this summer to relax and come back in the fall geared up and ready to go for another fantastic year. Have a great summer, and I will see you soon.